Next condition for geometric method, by using the demand curve, and at the demand curve if we have to calculate the elasticity of demand at point S, and this point is situated below the midpoint. Okay, midpoint is here, and if the point on which we have to calculate the elasticity of demand is below this point, in that condition lower segment will be lesser and upper segment will be greater. Okay, and if while estimating the demand elasticity, if the lower segment which is lesser divided by greater upper segment, in that condition the elasticity which we are getting is less than 1. The elasticity will be less than 1. Okay, and this elasticity is called less elastic demand or less elastic. Next condition, if we are supposed to calculate the elasticity of demand at point R, and I assume that this point R is situated above the midpoint. Assume that here is midpoint and this R point is situated above this area after midpoint. In that condition the lower segment will be greater and the upper segment is lesser. So if greater part is divided by lesser value, in that condition the elasticity which we will get will be more than 1 or greater than 1, and this demand is called greater elastic, more elastic demand. Okay, the same concept I have shown in this graph. You can easily understand by this diagram. Here on x-axis quantity demanded is mentioned, on y-axis price is there, and AB is the demand curve for the commodity, and M is representing the midpoint. Okay, if we are supposed to calculate elasticity of demand at point B, in this condition lower segment is 0 and upper segment is equal to the whole demand curve. But if the term 0 is divided by any number, we will get 0. Okay, so here the elasticity of demand will be 0. Same as point B, if we are estimating the elasticity at point A, in that condition upper segment will be 0, and if any number divided by 0, it means the value will be infinite or undetermined. Okay, third condition I am taking here midpoint. If we are supposed to calculate elasticity at midpoint, in that case lower segment and upper segment both values will be equal, and if equal numbers are divided by each other, then we will get equal to 1. Okay, and any number which is lying in between M to B, or we can say that if we are supposed to take to calculate elasticity below the midpoint, in that condition the elasticity will equal to less elastic. Okay, this elasticity will be less than 1, and any number or any point which is situated above the midpoint, at their elasticity will be greater than 1. Here at point B, which is lying on x-axis, elasticity is 0. At midpoint elasticity is equal to 1 or unit elastic. At point A, which is lying on y-axis, elasticity is infinity. From 0 to 1, elasticity is less than 1. From 1 to infinity, elasticity is more than 1.